Hi everyone. In the first video, I talked about exploring the animation project website and using Google Classroom and my posting the assignments and you completing your assignments in Google Classroom. I talked also about the storyboard that you create, which is the rough draft of your animation. Now I want to give you a glimpse into the next 2 weeks. After you've completed your storyboard, I'm going to be posting another assignment. And it's going to look something like this. It's going to say Google Slides Animation Project. And you'll see a Google Slides template, which is just a blank template. When you click on that, it's going to open your copy of Google Slides Animation Project, and it will have your name on it at the end. I know it's just a blank canvas right now, but very quickly you'll be able to use your storyboard to create your animation and make it come to life. So starting with a blank slate, you may decide that your animation is going to have a slightly different frame size. You can do this by changing the page setup. So if you go into File, Page Setup, you can change the different screen sizes. You can even custom your screen size. So let's go into Custom. And let me change that to say 15 centimeters by 25. And you see I have a very long portrait style animation. Typically animations are done in landscape, so I'm going to change that back. So if you're not doing anything, you don't really need to change the page setup unless you want to create a square animation or change the frame size slightly. I'm going to stick to widescreen 16 to 9, which is the default. And you may decide to add a background image, and you may also decide to have changes in the background. To do that, to add an image, you can go to Tools, Explore, and you can search images. For example, I've searched China Great Wall, and I don't want web pages, I want images. And I can drag and drop those images into Google Classroom, into Google Slides, I'm sorry. And then I can resize the image. I could also decide that I just want a plain background, right? So by doing that, so let me close this Explore window. I can click on background, and maybe I just want a plain purple background. And click done. And or if I made a mistake, I can go back and change it, or I can undo. And maybe I can select a different color that I prefer. Right, so that's setting up your slide deck. And you can also add images by visiting google.com. If it's not already open, google.com. Or if you want to go directly to images, it's images.google.com or .ca for Canada. And you could have search for China Great Wall. I just find that going through google.ca search, there are many more images that you can scroll through. And that's my preferred method of searching for images. And then once I found something I like, I can right click, copy the image, go to the slide and paste it. Edit, paste. So that's the basics on how to set up your Google Slides. Join me on the next video.